1. Fundamental argument. The photon is not a traveler. It is the initiator of light transmission via quarks. Contrary to current scientific acceptance, I hypothesize that the photon is not an independent particle and wave traveling on its own in a vacuum. Rather, it is a trigger reaction of the contiguous quark fabric that fills the universe. 2. Mechanical model, the quark-C and transmission capacity. Adjacent structure. The fabric of the universe is a gapless network where quarks touch each other. The photon as initiator. The light source produces a photon. It strikes the nearest quark with an energy pulse, and the photon is the initial spark that initiates this energy transfer. Momentum transfer. Quarks transmit the frequency interaction forward through their adjacency. Range. Point of maximum effect. The distance of light is determined by the attenuation limit at which this initial energy can progress by overcoming the resistance in the quark medium. 3. Critical proposition. If there are no quarks in the medium, light will not form. The most compelling proof point of this hypothesis is that if quarks, or these fundamental building blocks of transmission, are removed from a medium, the transmission of light becomes impossible. Vacuum paradox. While modern physics defines vacuum as emptiness, this hypothesis defines vacuum as a fabric filled with conducting quarks. Transmission. Interruption. If the quark fabric is removed, even if the photon remains as an initiator, light cannot be generated and cannot propagate because it cannot find a neighboring quark to transfer energy to, proving that light requires an absolute quark medium to propagate. 4. Proposed experimental verification. Measure whether there is a deviation in the speed of light or transmission capacity in a region where high-density quark fields are manipulated or, theoretically, diluted to investigate whether light is a particle emission or an environmental response. Will be explained in detail within our project. How? Science requires effort. Effort deserves payment. The idea belongs to its owner.